Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Bhomik.
And I'm Vishwa.
And today, before starting video, we would like to talk about a product that we received from Oziva.
We have received Oziva's hair vitamins with DHT blocker and omega 3. DHT blocker prevents your hair follicles from shrinking and omega 3 provides scalp nourishment to your hair.
Also, the best thing about this product is that it contains the goodness of vitamin A, C, D, E and B complex. It also prevents hair fall and hair damage. It is gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO and contains 0 gram sugar.
Also, you can consume it twice a day after your lunch and dinner for 3 months for best results.
If you guys want to buy this product, then you guys can buy it from the website of Oziva, of which the link will be in the description. So make sure to check that link out. Today,
We are going to react to the deepest, darkest secrets of you guys.
so this video is going to be juicy.
First, deepest, darkest secret is that when I was like 13, 14 something, I kissed my closest cousin. I don't judge you. But
No, I do.
it's not.
I'm judging you right now. Why are you kissing your cousin?
She was just 13 or 14.
फिर
You
भी?
should not kiss your cousin, of course, but still it's okay.
I'm judging you. I know your name.
I have done lip kiss in class 4th.
When I
didn't
was
even
in
know how
class 4th, I used to fight with my benchmate for pencils. What are you guys doing in class 4th?
I used to fight for like
Yeah,
come.
छोटे बच्चे लड़ते हैं, किस नहीं करते क्लास 4th में. Okay, so the next one is I love someone from 3 years but he doesn't love me back.
Leave him, sis. What are
Yeah.
you even waiting for? Why are you loving him?
Yes, sad
एक
life.
साल में ही छोड़ देने की जरूरत नहीं.
The next one is person I love. He also loves me back, but I have secret crush on you.
It isn't Bhomik's account, so the person has a secret.
No, you should definitely go with that person क्योंकि I have a girlfriend. I must prove that name.
Masturbate हो रहा है मतलब ये इन्होंने.
Me too.
What? Crap.
Next one is I have crush on you on my cousin. I know it's pretty weird.
It is pretty weird.
It should be pretty weird. Why are you guys having crush on your cousins? I mean, you can have crush on your cousin.
No, we can't have crush on her. Do you have a crush on any of your cousins?
No.
अंदर से वो आता ही नहीं है.
Yeah. The next one is recently I was dating my boyfriend and ex. I know Sat, but last night I finally broke up with my ex and felt guilty.
Date one person at a time.
Yes. और वो भी current boyfriend and your ex. Wow.
वही.
The next one is I have a secret tattoo from last 5 years but घर पे किसी को नहीं मालूम. Nice.
I want to have hair color पर घर पे किसी को नहीं बताना. क्या करूँ? Advice.
The next one is sex at my home when parents were out of station and I am 16. Good job. Good job.
Cool.
Made out on running bike while driving with my boyfriend.
How do you make out on a bike, guys?
Yeah, like
कार
how do you
में
do it?
समझ आता है कैसे हो सकता है.
हाँ,
पर
बाइक
bike-
में तो गिर जाएंगे.
ड्राइव कौन कर रहा है? मेक आउट कर रहे हो तो.
I met my boyfriend at night at my own house and no one got to know and we did this 5 to 7 times.
Oh, victory.
Update your DP bruh. Oh, मुझे पता.
I accidentally kissed my crush, but I did it intentionally. After that, he confessed to me, but I rejected him. Such a player.
Yeah.
Such
I
can
need
never do
this
these
kind of skills in my life.
I peed in girls' washroom. It's okay. Even I peed in men's washroom. So it's okay.
When did you do that?
When I was small. Okay, now this one is pretty weird. I drank my vomiting for knowing how it actually tastes. What the fuck?
I think I'm going to throw up right now.
What I mean?
How? Why? Q? What was the reason?
Why do you want to know how it tastes?
Was anyone giving you some kind of money?
Me and my cousins got secretly drunk for the first time at our grandfather's funeral. Now I regret. You get drunk at any kind of funerals? I killed an ant with a knife and now I cry every night thinking about her family. First of
And
ant इतना छोटा होता है, उसको नाइफ से कैसे मारोगे आप?
the person who did this is
Teach me how
cruel.
to kill ants with knife.
She is cruel.
कैसे?
उसके 10 मीटर के एरिया में कोई मत जाना प्लीज
और
प्लीज.
फिर आपको रोना आ रहा है पूरी नाइट उसकी फैमिली के बारे में सोच के. नाइफ से क्यों मारा? ऐसे बेचारी को हटा देते तो वो चली जाती अपने घर.
So cruel.
I am gay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I called my friend as soon as the call was picked up. I said hello lovely. It was his mom on call. Nice. ऐसा
Background music. मेरे तो एल लग गए.
I wanna make out with my best friend but can't express it to him.
Just go for it. Just go for it.
I kissed my best friend the very next day after my girlfriend broke up. Why are you guys so stuck between your best friends and
And your cousins.
and your boyfriend and girlfriend? Like, make a decision.
Yeah, please.
What is it? I'm confused and I want to make a. जिसके साथ भी जाओ, एक के साथ ही जाओ, दो को मत परेशान करो.
I hooked up with my cousin. Someone wrote that here.
See, again you are stuck. But it's
You guys are banging your cousin.
बाहर तो ढूंढने जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
घर में ही सब
और किसी को
अवेलेबल है.
शक भी नहीं जाएगा भाई. कजिन्स को किसको पता चलेगा? I have smoked and I'm just 11 years old. Again? What?
Bro, when I was 11, I used to
Even if
Do
I
normal
wanted to
stuff.
pee, I would call my mom. I wouldn't go alone. And you are smoking when you are just 11 years old. But it's okay. We are not judging you. We are just
but you
reacting.
should not smoke.
Yeah,
It's injurious to your health.
Made out with my best friend a couple of times when I was with my boyfriend. Again? What?
So basically, there are so many cheaters out there following us.
We won't reveal you, don't worry. But don't
Yeah.
do it. Stop
Yes,
it.
please.
It's bad.
Please.
Leave your boyfriend if you don't like him.
Yes.
Don't cheat. I am gay, I love boys. But shh, मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया.
Okay.
हम भी नहीं बताएंगे. Me and my brother used to see our parents having sex when we were kids.
That might be traumatizing.
Sucked my boyfriend's dick when he was asleep.
बेचारे को सोने दो प्लीज प्लीज.
उठाने की निंजा टेक्निक.
You should try that.
No, thanks. I'm not virgin yet. I feel like virgin.
Story of my life.
You are virgin. बचपन में I wanted to marry my father.
बचपन.
Cousins was okay, but
Understandable.
What understandable?
But बचपन था यार.
तो marry my
बचपन
father,
का-
mother, what nonsense crap. I have a crush on my sister's husband. I'm saying cousins तक okay था. ये क्या sisters
खुद की
husband,
बहन
मम्मी,
के
पापा.
हस्बैंड को तो छोड़ो प्लीज प्लीज. आई बेग यू प्लीज. डिवोर्स मत करवाना.
Once my best friend dated 3 girls at a time and I told all of them, and yet my best friend doesn't know कि किसने उनको बताया. Player, and I'm proud of
I
you.
would really do that
You should do that.
if my best friend was cheating on 3 girls. And I would
No,
date
he
one of
wouldn't do
them.
that. I know that. He wouldn't.
I would.
No.
So that's it for this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't bang your cousins, your ex while you are dating.
Your best
Or
friend.
your sister's
Or
husband.
don't even think
Please.
of getting married to your parents. Don't see them having sex. Don't do these kind of things. Don't smoke when you're 11. Shut up.
Yes.
Don't do it. It's very
Seriously.
harmful.
Never
Don't
smoke.
smoke even when you are
Yeah.
25 or 30 or 35. At any age you cannot smoke. I'm telling you. I hate smoke.
Calm down.
It's so annoying.
So if this video is going to hit 5k likes, then we are going to make next
Another
video
part in which we will reveal our deepest, darkest secrets.
just our secrets,
Yeah.
nothing else. Just Vishwas and Bhomik's deepest, darkest secrets. So if you guys want that video, hit like button. Jaldi, we are waiting. Done?
Mm-hmm. Done.
Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.